In this video, we'll show you how to install Anaconda. Anaconda is a Python programming language platform that is open source, which aims to make package management and deployment easier. Anaconda can be used to create a Python environment as well. The Anaconda installer must be downloaded first. To download the Anaconda installer, open a browser and navigate to the following link. Right-click the Downloads link and select Open Link in New tab from the menu that appears. Wait until the download is finished. When you're finished, go to the Downloads folder and open the file. The Anaconda installer can be found here. Then, double-click the installer file to install Anaconda. It will appear like this. Click Next. Read the licensing terms. Click I agree. It is recommended that you install Anaconda distribution for Just Me, which will only install Anaconda distribution to the current user account. Click Next. Select the destination folder to install Anaconda. Leave it by default and click Next. We do not recommend including Anaconda in your path environment variable because it may conflict with other software. So, leave it by default and click Install. Wait until the installation is finished. When finished, it will appear like this. Click Next. If you want to install Dataspell for Anaconda, click the following link. If not, click Next. After a successful installation, you will see the Thanks for installing Anaconda dialog box. Click the Finish button. To verify the installation, press the Windows key, then type Anaconda. If there is Anaconda Navigator and Anaconda prompt, then the installation is successful. See you in the next video.